Hello everyone and a good Tavach. Unfortunately, it is a sad time for me and for a lot of people in Klal Yisrael. After hearing this bitter and bad news of losing one of our closest and best friends, my best friend and brother, Arav Reb Michoel Schnitzler, Ulav Shulam. It is very sad for me to say these words. Let me tell you who Michoel Schnitzler, our dear Michoel Schnitzler, was. Michoel Schnitzler I know already for 27 years. Michoel Schnitzler is the one who gave me chizik and koyach and strength when I was a bacher. I remember I used to go to weddings where Michoel used to sing because I loved his singing. I loved this guy. I used to go every other night. I was asking, Michoel, where are you singing tonight? I just used to watch him and watch him and watch him. I was amazed of this guy. Such a happy man. He made so many people happy. Then I remember I used to follow him at weddings. I used to park his car. I used to come in with him, set up his mic after the wedding, put away the mic. I was so close to him. I learned everything in the singing business from our Michoel. He gave me the chizik always. He said, Shloime, you're going to be one day a big singer. He loved my voice. He loved my singing. So close to him. So many years, Michoel brought me beautiful music and beautiful melodies with Yiddish lyrics, stories that gave chizik to so many Yidden. If you're rich or poor, happy or sad, everybody found their place around Michoel. If you were standing next to Michoel within 10 feet, you either felt good, laughing, or happy. And you didn't know why. Just standing next to him. He was a riach she'ein metzia. HaKadosh Baruch Hu sent him down here in this world to be mesameach so many Yidden. Chosen kalas, Yidden, stam Yidden, Yidden with pain, Yidden with happiness, any Yid. He was taken from us so young, the age of 62. Michoel, I can't believe it. I remember when he made a song for my friend Yoli Brach. I never knew we're gonna have to make a song for you. We're gonna miss you. We're gonna miss you. He was a good man. And you're resting in Eden. I'm sure that all the zechusim that he did and the simcha that he brought into Klal Yisrael, he is going to stand for you in the zechis. The Medrash says that somebody saw two people, and Elyonovi said, there are the two people go to Gan Eden. So they went to them, they asked those people, what do you do for a living? They said, we're two people who make people happy. And that's what Michoel was, his whole life. He didn't have an easy life, but always here with a smile for other people. Michoel, it's hard to say goodbye. But we're going to try to do whatever you did. We're going to try to continue bringing simcha. Stay happy. Goodbye. Petirah.